Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Rayel. In this episode, I'll talk about first aid tips for depression. Here, I'll introduce the CARE approach as first aid for depression. CARE approach is a four-step process that involves checking for signs of depression, anticipating complications, remedying with early intervention, and educating yourself about the illness. The first step is to check for signs and symptoms of depression, such as depressed mood, loss of interest to do things, poor appetite and impaired energy and concentration, and guilt feelings and the thoughts of death. The second step is to anticipate complications of depression. Some complications include psychosis, disability, and suicidality. The third step is to remedy with early intervention, including acknowledging the problem, being available and supportive, and addressing the issues. The final step is to educate yourself about the illness so you can cope better.